Cellular symphony, a dance in the light. Tiny worlds awakening deep in the night, building every heartbeat, shaping every dream, flowing like a river, a never-ending stream. Millions of cells in a beautiful line, working together with a perfect design. From the spark of a thought to the blink of an eye, they sing their silent song beneath the sky. Oh, cellular symphony,